Morning, my name is Fernando and today we'll be doing an installation of a mini split system. Our main brand, Fujitsu, will be doing one outdoor unit, one indoor unit. Here we have a duplex doing all the electrical, drain, copper lines, and everything that entails to do a proper job. We're going to be covering equipment, we're going to be covering full installation from the indoor, outdoor units, electrical, drain system, and it'll be fun. So stay tuned, watch, and enjoy. At Premium Air Systems, you'll find a team of experts that will take care of all your air conditioning and heating needs. We do service, repair, and installations. We're a Southern California air conditioning and heating company, expanding to Arizona and other markets. Our line of services cover the residential, commercial, and industrial areas. Whether it's a thermostat or a large industrial HVAC system, we are the right people to call. Visit us at premiumairsystems.com or join us in Facebook.